Let's decorate polystyrene stars with beautiful decorative paper. You will need polystyrene stars and paper with a beautiful pattern. Start by cutting the paper into small, irregular pieces. Apply glue at the back of each paper piece. Glue the paper to the star. Apply glue over another piece of paper. Glue this piece of paper to the star as well. The pieces of paper should overlap slightly. Keep working until the whole surface of the star is covered with the paper. Stars like these can be used to decorate wreaths, or could be suspended from a string. You could also make a few of these stars and connect them into a garland. We are using paper with a vintage feel, but you could choose any other type of decorative paper.